Welcome back. I just got it back home from work / just doing some errands, and I bought myself a toy. It is an electronic predator collar. It hasn't been opened. I'm going to see what's all in there. First, I'm going to read what's in it. The Rebel Ferment Angosted Coupe de Port. The Rebel packs a big punch for this entry-level e-collar. It features 12 predator enticing sounds recorded by Verminator Rick Pallet, and some of these same sounds have been used to win the World Coyote Calling Contest. Cool. The remote and decoy. Oh, there's a decoy? Sweet. Store conveniently in the collars for easy travel from stand to stand. Sounds include rabbit distress, coyote fights, howls, pup distress, woodpecker, coon distress. Ooh, that'd be awesome. And crow battle. The call runs on 10 AA batteries, and the remote runs on 3 AA batteries. So 13 AA batteries. All right, let's get to opening. This is from, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is from Lucky Duck. I have no sponsor or anything like that or affiliated with Lucky Duck, but okay, got the remote and the little, where does this go? Looks like a magnet of some sort. Maybe not, I don't know. Yeah, it is. Oh, there we go. Or if that spins. Goes in there just like that. Oh, alright. Directions. I'll read these later. Alright. I'm going to take this out if I can. I can't. Oh, crap. There we go. Alright, I'm going to get the batteries. I'm going to open this up. Seems a little difficult. Oh. Compact. Don't turn this video off yet. I gotta turn the sounds on. That was a pain. Oh, well. Alright, I'm gonna stick these batteries in. Then I'll be back and we'll listen to the sounds. How about that? Alright, I got the batteries in. Cover on. Got the remote. That calls for 3 batteries. Well, I guess I should have read the directions because the remote doesn't come or take 3 AA batteries. It takes this. I have never seen a battery like this before in my life. It is a 23A12V. I don't know. But let's, seems to be charged up, ready to go. Put this together. Turn the call on. Can you see the red light? Yeah, you can see the red light. Okay. All right. I'm going to do the baby, turn on the baby rabbit. Decoy. Apparently that battery's not charged. How can I do a review if the battery's not charged? That just sucks. Well, the battery is charged. I put it in backwards. So, all right, here we go. I'm going to do the baby rabbit. Volume. All right, where's the... I'm going to put this little decoy in and see what happens with that. Oh, I am going to be slocking some, like Tim Wells would say, coyotes. Oh, I can't freaking wait. Let's do a coyote fight. Okay. Female howl. Male. How about a raccoon in distress? This one I could have used on my rabbit hunt a couple videos back. So that's that, and I think I'm going to have some fun with this. So it's... Shut him off. Save the batteries. This is cool. I'm glad I bought this. I'm going to try this out this weekend. So I'm going to go out and ask for permission for some coyote hunting in a few spots and see if I can call one in. I'd be happy just to call one in. And what I'm going to be using for a gun is a 17 caliber HMR Savage. Some people say it's too light. Some people say that's a perfect, or a 22 Magnum. So I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to conclude this video with a little bit of a joke. You ever notice that most cities are named after their water towers? Enjoy the little things and happy hunting.